Hi guys, welcome to SAP E-commerce Planet. I'm Khaja. Today I'm going to explain how to install Notepad++ in our local machine. So let's understand what is Notepad++. So Notepad++ is one of the most powerful code editor tool which ships with many features and shortcut keys to make our work life easy. So by default it supports many languages and you can edit any kind of file using Notepad++. Before that, let's understand the directory structure. Like this program file directory contains only 64-bit softwares, and program file x86 contains 32-bit softwares. So let's install Notepad++ in Windows 11 operating system. So navigate or open any browser here. Just type Notepad++ download. So yeah, now click on the first link and select the most recent available version, and it's showing 64-bit software, and download the software. So yeah, the download is completed. Now click on the .exe file, click on S. Here it is showing language, so select English language. Next, and yeah, so you need to accept the license agreement. Accept. And by default, as it's a 64-bit, it is showing program file directory. So click on next. Next, create a shortcut key on desktop. I mean a shortcut on desktop, and click on install. Yeah, now the installation got completed successfully. Now you can see the shortcut uh, on your desktop. Yeah, this is the shortcut. So this is the Notepad++ tool, which highly used in IT industry for code editing, or like writing code or editing like any kind of file. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and like my videos.